And good morning, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. And if you kind of notice, I got a full jar of sprouts, which is pretty good. Trying to fix this. Uncle Al needs a new camera, but this is best he could. Not bad, huh? Okay, let's go outside. Do a little pruning, and my flowers are blooming. Uncle Alan doesn't have too much time, but he does the best he could. Okay, I like roses and hydrangeas, and I forgot what the heck the cyclamates. There's my roses. Okay, let's see what's going on with my garden. Okay, garden. Okay, there's my chard and my cucumber. I got some more plants growing. See Dad on YouTube. This is how you get a garden started. You have little pots and you grow little plants. And there's my tomatoes. They'll start growing again. And here's my lettuce. Whoops. Sorry about that. My lettuce, I pick it every day for a salad. Here's my cucumbers. My pepper plant. My eggplant. Cilantro, I gotta pick it and trim it again. Finish off the greens and planted more plants. And I gotta harvest my carrots pretty soon. Getting about ripe. And I planted more plants. And over here is my new seedling stock and more eggplants. I'm starting out a whole new batch so I can start it out. Okay, sorry about that, folks. Hope you can see that. Like I said, Uncle Alan doesn't have the world's greatest camera. It's a webcam. So that's about it. I'll catch you later.